Okay. Hello, guys. Great. Hope all are doing wonderful and all have got your provisional allotment result. Now, a lot of people are still having queries, sir. What is this provisional allotment? So, is it not my actual result, or will I get into the same college, or is it going to change at me? So, now a quick update regarding the same. Fine. So do not worry. Whatever is happening, everything will happen fine. Wonderfully well. Fine. I just let you know what is upcoming, what you need to do, how you need to take it further. Fine. So without wasting any further time, let us get it all here. Now, this is called as a provisional allotment result. Okay, as you can see on the screen, it is shown as provisional first round allotment results link. Okay. Now, what is this provisional? This is not the actual result. So, the actual result link will again be available after some time or after a day. If you want to cross verify it, so go back to the last year's PGCEP schedule or whatever has happened. So, here you can see initially the was given as PGC 2023 first round provisional result link, and after that, first round the result link. First round result. So this was a. So now the chances of you getting the provisional seat, the same college, is high. The final result and the provisional result might be the same. So is there a possibility of the seats getting changed or the college getting altered? Yes, there is a possibility here. But 95% to 98%, similar college you will end up. Okay, do not get stressed out much. If you are very much happy with whatever you got, just take up. It's okay. You have waited so long, waiting some more day, it's not going to do any harm to you. Fine. The next thing is, sir, okay, sir, I am happy with the college, what I got. What I need to do next? If you are happy with the college, what you got, then you have something called as the choice entry. Post this result, they will release something called as choice entry. This choice entry, what you need to do is you will be having 4 options over. Option number 1. You are happy with whatever college you got and you want to proceed further by making the payment and joining the college. Wonderful. Choose option entry 1. Next, choice entry 2. Sir, I am somewhat happy with the college what I got. I will make the payment, but still I want to go to the second row and see if I can get a better college. Wonderful. Choose choice entry 2. Choice entry number 3. Sir, I am not happy with the college whatever I got. I do not want to select it. I do not want to make the payment. I want to proceed to the second round directly. Well and good. Proceed further by choosing choice entry number 3. Choice entry number 4. Sir, I have already got admitted into one of the colleges through management, or I have dropped the idea of doing an AB or NCA this year. I want to give and re-attempt again for the next year. So I want to proceed further by cancelling my allot. Choose choice entry 4 and exit from the counseling process. Now these are the 4 choice entry options what you have, which is the next procedure what you need to do once the result is out. Post that they will give you a date before which you can join the college by submitting all your documents. Regarding that, we will come up with the video again. Right now, this is the information regarding this provisional results. Okay. Hope this information is clear and you people have made some idea out of it. Do not get confused. Do not get panic. You have waited so long. This journey is long. I know the KA tests your patience so much that you get restless at point of time. because many people have already joined college, have started doing their semesters and everything, and you people are still behind the counselor. Do not worry, things will get into place. Just keep yourself calm and just trust the process and start focusing on what skills you want to learn. Start spending time on that, not on this more. This will happen. That is going to change your life. So, once again, thank you for watching this video. In case you were coming to this channel for the first time, please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel.